to go here to Montalban. Ganda ng venue, lamig.
It's really nice. The gym's really nice.
Saka na-experience ko na rin maligo sa dugout couple of times. Saldivar puts up the shot. Shot clock violation. Kasi Cainta, Paco, this one.
That's right.
Tutusin ito, out of town na din ito. Layo.
Sa layo. Sa layo nga naman.
Saka literal na may bundok na sa likod ng venue eh.
Wala ka naman nadaanan na parang main highway.
Expressway, no?
Eh. Pero technically sa distansya, medyo out of town na to.
Brillantes shoots over Ervin Flores, kapos.
First time to climb a mountain. Hindi naman ako maganon.
Okay.
Pero alam mo, nagulat ako yung mga sari-sari store nila doon, walang refrigerator, naka-display sa shelf yung mga soft drinks nila.
Hindi nga. Oh.
Sabi ko, pwede ba yung sa ref? Gusto nung malamig. Ito malamig to. Kinuha lang sa shelf. Pag abot sa akin, parang galing sa refrigerator.
Tipid sa Oriente yun.
At dahil nga home game itong sa Rizal,
Panganiban blocked. Both teams. 4 minutes gone by. Combined for only 3 points. Zaldivar nails the 3. Finally.
actually the entire stadium are all on their feet, happy with that shot.
Nakuha ni Panganiban. Pass to Jake Gaspay. Caballero's turn to take the 3 and make it.
Tapos, on your third day, nung pag nakita nyo na yung Sea of Clouds, baba na kayo. Pero yun, ano yun? Kasi bababa ka sa Ambangig Trail, sa kabila dun sa executive. So, mas mabilis yun.
So, ano pala siya, no? Parang overnight ka talaga.
4 days.
4 days.
4 days, oh. Pero worth it. Like, the Akiki Trail, I think, even if it's hard, you see different terrains. Medyo pinahirapan pa ni Flores yung sarili niya doon. Pwede ng diretsong layup. Now they've surpassed.
Jared Chavez steps through, stolen away by Caliano. On the run, Alex Desoyo with a lefty layup. Right.
In the fourth quarter. This is lower than the production of Sarangani in the third.
Those are 3 mid-tier teams in the north. Chavez with a reverse layup. Mamadali si Lervin Flores. He will go coast to coast for the layup. Behind that big second quarter where they pulled away late, Coach Don Dulay and the rest of the Rizal Central Mall Golden Coolers pick up win number 12.